Hey there, I'm Maria Moses, and if you're anything like me, you're always curious about the latest tech that can make life more exciting. Whether you're a pro filmmaker, a travel enthusiast, or just someone who loves cool gadgets, you're in the right place. Today, we're talking about something that's literally going to take your creativity to new heights: drones. But not just any drones. We're counting down the top 5 best drones of 2025. Trust me, these drones are so good, they'll make you want to grab your camera and start filming right away. If you're interested in any drones, I'll leave a link in the description where you can check it out. I have a $15 off discount code available, link in description, or visit promowelt.com. So let's get into it. Number 5, Deer C D20 Mini Drone with Camera. First things first, let's talk about what makes the Deer D20 so special. This mini drone is designed to be easy to use, portable, and affordable, but it doesn't skimp on the features. Here's why it's worth your attention. One of the best things about the Deer C D20 is its size. This drone is super compact and lightweight, making it perfect for throwing in your backpack and taking anywhere. Whether you're hiking, traveling, or just hanging out at the park, this drone is ready to go whenever you are. Now let's talk about the camera. The Deer C D20 comes with a 720p HD camera that lets you capture clear, high-quality photos and videos. It's not 4K, but for a drone at this price point, the quality is seriously impressive. Plus, the camera angle can be adjusted so you can get the perfect shot every time. If you're new to drones, don't worry, this one is super easy to fly. It comes with features like one-key takeoff and landing, so you don't have to stress about controlling it manually. There's also altitude hold, which keeps the drone stable in the air, making it easier to capture smooth footage. Here's where things get really fun. The Deer D20 has 3 speed modes: low, medium, and high, so you can choose the perfect speed for your skill level. It also has headless mode, which is great for beginners because it makes the drone easier to control, no matter which way it's facing. And if you want to show off, there's even a 360-degree flip function for some cool aerial tricks. Another great feature is the battery life. The Deer D20 comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, giving you up to 20 minutes of flight time. That's pretty impressive for a mini drone. Plus, it has low battery alerts and emergency stop features to keep your drone safe while flying. I captured with the Deer D20. As you can see, the video quality is crisp and the drone handles really well, even in light wind. It's perfect for capturing family moments, travel adventures, or just having fun in your backyard. So, is the Deer D20 mini drone with camera worth it? Absolutely. It's affordable, easy to use, and packed with features that make it a great choice for beginners and casual flyers. If you're looking for a fun, portable drone that won't break the bank, this is it. Number 4, drones with camera for adults 4K. This is the pluggable brushless drone with 4K camera, and it's designed specifically for adults and beginners who want a high-quality drone without breaking the bank. Whether you're into photography, videography, or just want to explore the world from above, this drone has got you covered. Let's take a closer look. Let's talk about what makes the Plebly drone stand out. It's packed with features that make it easy to fly, fun to use, and perfect for capturing professional quality footage. Here's why this drone is a great choice for adults and beginners alike. Let's start with the star of the show, the 4K camera. This drone comes equipped with a high-resolution 4K camera that captures crisp, clear photos and videos. Whether you're filming landscapes, family gatherings, or your latest adventure, the footage looks stunning. Plus, the camera angle is adjustable, so you can get the perfect shot every time. Next up, let's talk about the brushless motors. These motors are a game changer because they're quieter, more durable, and more efficient than traditional brush motors. That means longer flight times, smoother flights, and less maintenance. If you're looking for a drone that's built to last, this is it. Now, if you're new to drones, don't worry, this one is super beginner friendly. It comes with features like one-key takeoff and landing, so you don't have to stress about controlling it manually. There's also altitude hold, which keeps the drone stable in the air, making it easier to capture smooth, professional-looking footage. Here's where things get really fun. The Plugbill drone has 3 speed modes: low, medium, and high, so you can choose the perfect speed for your skill level. It also has headless mode, which is great for beginners because it makes the drone easier to control, no matter which way it's facing. And if you want to show off, there's even a 360-degree flip function for some cool aerial tricks. Another great feature is the battery life. This drone comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, giving you up to 26 minutes of flight time. That's plenty of time to capture all the footage you need. Plus, it has low battery alerts and emergency stop features to keep your drone safe while flying. One of my favorite things about this drone is its foldable design. It's compact and lightweight, making it easy to take with you wherever you go. Whether you're traveling, hiking, or just heading to the park, this drone is ready to fly at a moment's notice. Here's some footage I captured with the Plegbel drone. As you can see, the 4K video quality is crisp and vibrant, and the drone handles really well, even in light wind. It's perfect for capturing professional quality footage or just having fun in your backyard. So, is the Plegbel brushless drone with 4K camera worth it? Absolutely. It's affordable, easy to use, and packed with features that make it a great choice for adults and beginners. Whether you're into photography, videography, or just want to have some fun, this drone has something for everyone. Number 3 drone with camera, 1080p HD. Whether you're a beginner or a casual flyer, this drone promises smooth flights, clear images, and a foldable design that makes it super portable. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's dive in and find out. This is the Niceto foldable drone with 1080p HD camera, a compact, easy-to-use drone packed with features that make flying fun and effortless. It comes with a 1080p HD adjustable camera for crystal clear aerial shots, altitude hold for smooth, stable hovering, one key takeoff and landing, making it perfect for beginners, foldable design and lightweight body, great for travel, 2 rechargeable batteries giving you up to 30 minutes of flight time. All right, let's take this drone for a test flight. The altitude hold feature keeps it super steady in the air, making it great for beginners. The camera adjusts to different angles, letting you capture some awesome aerial shots. For a budget drone, the image clarity is pretty solid. While it's not 4K, the 1080p resolution still delivers clear and vibrant footage. Here's a quick breakdown of what I loved about this drone and where it could improve. Pros: great for beginners, super easy to control, lightweight and portable, perfect for travel. Decent 1080p HD camera for casual photography. Longer battery life than most drones in this price range. Cons: not ideal for high wind areas due to its lightweight build. Lacks GPS, so no automatic return to home feature. So, is the Niceto 1080p HD drone worth it? Absolutely. If you're looking for a beginner-friendly, budget-friendly drone that delivers good performance, smooth flights, and solid camera quality, this is a great choice. If you're interested, check out the link in the description to grab yours today. Number 2, Holystone GPS drone with 4K UHD camera. If you're looking for a feature-packed, high-quality drone that doesn't break the bank, this might be the perfect choice. But is it really worth it? Let's find out. Right out of the box, the Holystone GPS drone looks sleek and well-built. Here's what you get. 4K UHD camera with 120 degrees FOV for ultra-clear shots. 5 GHz FPV transmission for real-time video streaming. Brushless motors for stable and powerful flight. Smart GPS auto-return so it never gets lost. Follow me in waypoint flight modes for hands-free flying. 2 batteries giving up to 46 minutes of total flight time. This drone is designed for both beginners and experienced pilots, thanks to its intelligent flight modes and easy controls. Now, let's put it to the test. The first thing you'll notice is how stable the drone is, even in slightly windy conditions, thanks to GPS positioning and brushless motors. The 4K UHD camera captures sharp and vibrant footage, and the 120-degree wide-angle lens ensures you get breathtaking aerial shots. Plus, with 5 GHz FPV transmission, there's almost zero lag when streaming live video to your phone. This drone isn't just about great camera quality, it also comes with some impressive smart features. Follow me mode. The drone locks onto you and follows your movement, perfect for capturing hands-free action shots. Waypoint flight. Simply draw a path on the app and the drone will fly automatically along the route. GPS auto-return. If the battery is low or you lose connection, the drone automatically returns home, so no more worries about losing your drone. Let's quickly break down the pros and cons of the Holystone GPS drone. Pros: 4K UHD camera delivers crisp, high-resolution footage. Stable GPS positioning for smooth, controlled flight. Long battery life, up to 46 minutes with 2 batteries. Follow me in waypoint modes add extra convenience. Auto-return home prevents drone loss. Cons: lacks obstacle avoidance sensors, so be cautious in tight spaces. Takes time to master advanced features for beginners. Overall, this drone punches well above its price range, offering premium features at an affordable price. So is the Holystone GPS drone with 4K UHD camera worth it? Absolutely. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced flyer, this drone offers excellent performance, a stunning camera, and smart GPS features, making it one of the best drones in its category. If you want to grab one, check out the link in the description below. Number 1, DJI Mini 3, drones with camera for adults 4K. Let's talk about what makes the DJI Mini 3 stand out. It's designed to be portable, easy to use, and capable of capturing professional quality footage. Here's why this drone is worth your attention. One of the best things about the DJI Mini 3 is its lightweight and foldable design. Weighing just under 249 grams, It's incredibly portable and doesn't require registration in most countries. Whether you're hiking, traveling, or just heading to the park, this drone is ready to go wherever you are. Now, let's talk about the camera. The DJI Mini 3 comes equipped with a 4K HDR camera that captures stunningly clear photos and videos. Whether you're filming landscapes, sunsets, or action-packed adventures, the footage looks incredible. Plus, the camera can tilt up to 90 degrees, giving you more creative freedom to capture unique angles. Another standout feature is the extended flight time. With the standard battery, you get up to 38 minutes of flight time. And if you opt for the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, that jumps to an impressive 51 minutes. That's plenty of time to capture all the footage you need without worrying about running out of power. If you're new to drones, don't worry, this one is super beginner-friendly. It comes with features like one-key takeoff and landing, so you don't have to stress about controlling it manually. There's also GPS and downward vision sensors, which help keep the drone stable in the air, making it easier to capture smooth, professional-looking footage. Here's where things get really fun. The DJI Mini 3 has intelligent flight modes like quick shots, which allow you to capture cinematic footage with just a tap. There's also focus track, which includes active track, spotlight, and point of interest modes, making it easy to keep your subject in frame. And if you want to show off, there's even a 360-degree panorama mode for stunning wide-angle shots. The DJI Mini 3 is compatible with the DJI Fly app, which makes it easy to control the drone, edit footage, and share your creations directly from your smartphone. The app also provides real-time flight data, so you always know what's happening with your drone. Safety is a top priority with the DJI Mini 3. It comes with return-to-home functionality, which automatically brings the drone back to its takeoff point if it loses signal or runs low on battery. Plus, the geofencing feature helps you avoid restricted airspace so you can fly with confidence. Here's some footage I captured with the DJI Mini 3. As you can see, the 4K video quality is crisp and vibrant, and the drone handles really well, even in light wind. It's perfect for capturing professional quality footage or just having fun in your backyard. So, is the DJI Mini 3 worth it? Absolutely. It's lightweight, easy to use, and packed with features that make it a top choice for travelers, content creators, and drone enthusiasts. Whether you're into photography, videography, or just want to have some fun, this drone has something for everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more cool tech reviews. And if you've tried the DJI Mini 3, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, happy flying.